The BZ4X finally arrived at this dealership, and they have not prepared it. But my time here is only
Hello,
today,
I am
so
DT Graham.
I ask permission that we will take a video of the BZ4X. So this is the front of the BZ4X. There's a camera, there are 4 sensors, daytime running light, and oh, there's a light here. Okay. Very futuristic. There's still plastic cover coming from the plant. They have not removed it. But anyway, we will take a look at the BJ4X. And for the tire size is, let's look, 235, 50, R20, and 5 lug nut. Okay, they have not put the cover there, not yet. They have not prepared this. And this is where you plug in. Okay, and you open it, this one. For ordinary charger, for DC high power charger. Okay. So this is a charging port here. This is full BEV, and on the side there is a camera here and sensor. Okay, and let's go around. The rear tire is the same, and let's look at the back. Let's look at the back. So this is the BJ4X BEB all-wheel drive, and this is the top fin antenna, and let's go around. So we have a walk around. Did you see? There are 2 cameras here. 2 cameras. Okay. Now let's open it. The spare tire is here because there's no space below, and it's dropped. Okay. They have not yet opened this. These are to be installed later. There's a hook here, and there's a cover here. Tonneau cover. Okay, there's a cover here, so they cannot see your goods. If you want more cargo space, you could also remove this one. This one can be removed also. Now, let's close it and move to the passenger. Okay, it comes with a charger that will be installed by authorized installer. So the charger is still there. Okay, it's a leather seat. Okay, these are the maxi charger. Okay, these are the charger that comes with it. There's a control for the cooler, and there are USB. Let's move this a little so we could see it. Okay, now I'm going to return it to where it is. Okay, there's already a space for you to put your accessories. Okay, it's a moonroof, panoramic moonroof, and there's a feed antenna. There is a blind spot monitor. Now we go inside. There are two settings for the seat, and adjustment are here. Okay, cup holder, and this is the power seat. Okay, these have not yet been prepared. We just want to take a video of this quickly. Now we're going inside. So let's power it on. Okay, obviously no sound, no noise. Okay, odometer adjustment. Okay, and auto light, wiper washer. Open the back, open the front hood, and signal light. Oh, there's a paddle shift, paddle shifter. There's a paddle shift, and then call button, control for that one, and then mode, cruise control. Toyota safety sense is here. All the features are here, and then they have not yet updated the computer. Everything need to be reset. Okay, everything need to be reset. And here the aircon, you control the aircon. Okay, and then let's control the speed. Okay, the stereo, and you have two wireless charger. You can look at the view. You could change it. Okay, I'll remove the light first. So you have a 360 view. Okay, there's a very strong reflection everywhere. That's a challenge always. Okay, now here's the control. Two wireless charger. This is the control. Parking, hold, and park. Push for neutral. For drive, push. For reverse, when you push it, it goes to neutral. Push and hold, no? And then go to drive. You cannot touch it this way. You have to push it, then push it again and adjust. Okay, and you could press park. Eco mode, this one I need to see, and this one I need to see. I'm not familiar. And this is auto park. If you want to park it, it can park it for you. And there's no space here. There's no compartment here. Okay, the aircon. And here, let's try to open this. So it's a panoramic moonroof. Okay, let's turn this and close it. And here are the control for the light. One side, two side, or you want everything to lights up for the door. Okay. If you want to use the ordinary mirror, or you want to use the electronic, you have a choice. This is the control. Okay, this is the control. And then what else? There's a space here that you can open also both sides, from the driver and the passenger side. Okay. The only space you have here is this one. I have to go out. Let me close it first. Oh, no, let me close it. Okay. Then we go out. There's a USB port here, another one on the other side, and this is where you put your manual and your things. It's a little tight. I don't know why they don't put the glove compartment. I don't know why. Maybe for design. Now, when you want to open your hood, we are used to putting our arm like this and adjust it. But no, this one is below. So you have to put your arm down and hold it until you find the lock. And okay, so let's look at the front. Toyota designed their EV differently. Some other EV, they put this at the back or below and you have storage space. But for Toyota, they put the controller, everything here. So it's like you're having an engine, but it is not an engine. It's the motor generator. Here's the battery. Okay, the washer. Avoid touching the orange line because those are high voltage. You see? Very strong, very big wire. So these are high voltage. Okay. ABS. Everything is here. The motor is here. The motor generator is here. The power control unit is here. Everything is in front. So this is how Toyota do it. For the new car now, there's a QR code, okay, from DOE. And this one will give you information about the car. And this is the economy. 65.3 kilometer per LGE. Okay, we have to learn what is LGE. Production type 2025 BZ4X and vehicle type. There's the model. Okay, so all that information is here. You just scan the QR code. Even where the car came from or designed is here. So I guess that's all for now. This is the Toyota BEV, battery electric vehicle, BZ4X. Thank you for watching and please subscribe.